बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल ऑल टू लर्न। इस वीडियो में हम लेक्चरर इकोनॉमिक्स का सेकंड मॉडल पेपर करेंगे। इससे पहले वाली वीडियो में हमने मॉडल पेपर 1 किया है, जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, आपके पेपर में आ भी सकते हैं और इससे आपको आइडिया भी हो जाएगा कि आपके लेक्चर की तैयारी कैसी है। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले छोटा सा काम करें, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, साथ बेल नोटिफिकेशन लाजमी दबाइएगा। तो चले वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन्फ्लेशन इज ऑलवेज एंड एवरीवेयर अ मॉनिटरी फिनोमिनन। दीज आर द फेमस वर्ड ऑफ मिल्टन फ्रीडमैन। जो ऊपर 1 लिखा हुआ है इसको नीचे एक्सप्लेन करूँगी मैं। द कंसेप्ट ऑफ लेसिस फेयर वाज कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ क्लासिकल इकोनॉमिस्ट एरा 1776 टू 1871। जो है वो क्लासिकल एरा था, यानी क्लासिकल का दौर था 1776 से 1871 तक। When price flexibility is contribution of which of the following economists wage price flexibility? तो इसका है ACP go according to Keynes what caused change in inducement in invest by entrepreneur MEC and rate of interest. The relationship between APC and MPC in Keynes psychological consumption function is MPC less than APC. तो इसमें हम पॉइंट नंबर 1 देखते हैं। मिल्टन फ्रीडमैन वाज अमेरिकन इकोनॉमिस्ट हु रिसीव 1976 नोबल मेमोरियल प्राइज in economics since of his research on consumption analysis, monetary history and theory and complexity of his stabilization policy. Father of economics capitalism and father of political economy थे ये। डेवर रिकार्डो was a British political economist, father of macroeconomics and Keynesian economist, father of classical school of economics Adam Smith, father of new classical school of thought Alfred Marshall और father of Keynesian school of thought James Keynes। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है, 6 है। GNP greater than GDP, MP when NIFE greater than 0. Those goods which satisfy human wants is called consumer goods. According to modern economists, impact of externality is either positive or negative. Personal income will be equal to personal disposable income when personal tax is 0. Difference between net and gross investment is depreciation when GDP is equal to GNP, NIF equal to 0. In classical theory, level of employment is a function of real wage rate. Law of return show short-term production function. Who wrote the article Law of Return and Competitive Condition? P. Sraffa. Keynesian aggregate supply curve is perfectly elastic. In economics 1930s popularity known as the period of Great Depression. According to Keynes, investment is a function of MEI and rate of interest, marginal efficiency of investment and rate of interest. Marginal efficiency of investment curve is sloping downward. Effective demand is dead demand when aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply. Classical aggregate supply curve is perfectly inelastic, or classical assumption was introduced by none of the above. The phase laissez-faire was firstly used by एडम स्मिथ। JB से ACP को नन ऑफ दिस नहीं। ये क्वेश्चन है, द कंसेप्ट ऑफ लेसिस फेयर फर्स्ट स्प्लिट आउट, ये भी नन ऑफ द अबव है। द नेम सप्लाई साइड वाज इन्वेंटेड बाय वन ऑफ द थ्योरी ऑफ क्रिटिक्स इकोनॉमिस्ट हर्बर्ट स्टाइन इन, इसका भी नीचे आगे एक्सप्लेनेशन आएगी। ट्रेडिशनली हाउ मैनी फंक्शन ऑफ मनी, नन ऑफ द अबव, इसका भी एक्सप्लेनेशन नीचे। इफ़ R इक्वल टू 0 द angle between the two lines of regression is 90%. The term econometrics was introduced by Novarian statistician and economist Roger Frisch in 1926. According to development economists, the major factor of economic growth are कैपिटल accumulation, टेक्निकल प्रोग्रेस और लो पॉपुलेशन। तो हम पॉइंट नंबर 19 देखते हैं जो हमारे पास था। नेम ऑफ सप्लाई साइड वाज इन्वेंटेड बाय वन ऑफ द क्रिटिक्स इकोनॉमिक्स हर्बर्ट, ईयर इन 1976 में। और जो पॉइंट 20 है हमारे पास वो है द मेन फंक्शन मीडियम ऑफ एक्सचेंज यूनिट ऑफ अकाउंट स्टोर ऑफ वैल्यू मनी के। और जो 21 पॉइंट है हमारे पास इकोनोमेट्रिक्स। द वर्ड इकोनोमेट्रिक इज ड्राइव फ्रॉम टू वर्ड्स ग्रीक ओरिजिन, इकोनॉमी एंड यूटोपोआ मेयर्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 है द क्लासिकल मॉडल ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एंड डेवलपमेंट emphasize laissez-faire policy or capital accumulation. Inverted U-shaped income distribution hypothesis associated with Simon Cousins. Calendar growth law basically three laws हैं. According to E. David Amy, there are two types of resources ownership. According to Aristotle, economy is divided into two parts. Alfred Marshall divided cost into two categories. According to new classical economists, market clear at all times. The period from 1900 to 1920 is called golden age of American agriculture. और जो पॉइंट 22 है हमारे पास टू कैटेगरी. अल्फ्रेड मार्शल डिवाइडेड कॉस्ट इनटू प्राइम कॉस्ट एंड सप्लीमेंट्री कॉस्ट. प्राइम कॉस्ट वेरिएबल कॉस्ट को बोलते हैं, सप्लीमेंट्री कॉस्ट कांस्टेंट कॉस्ट और फिक्स कॉस्ट. According to Keynes, what causes change in inducement to invest by entrepreneur and marginal efficiency of capital and rate of interest, the relationship between APC and MPC. Keynes ये तो हम कर चुके हैं. David Ricardo, economic growth based upon diminishing return on the basis of income. World Bank in his report 1994 divided countries into four parts. According to Malthus theory of population, supply of food grain increase in arithmetic progression. The founder of General Equilibrium Analysis, Leon Wallace. Islamabad Stock Exchange was established on October 25, 2009. Equity Participation Fund was established in 1970. Which of the following are type of term of trade? Both A and B. Single factor term of trade, gross barter term of trade. Export surplus concept presented which school of thought? Mercantilist school of thought. Comparative advantage theory is also called comparative cost principle. The loss of Pareto optimally in production and consumption is given by utility possibility curve. Edwards box diagram first used by Wilfredo Pareto. The Marshallian demand and supply function is P equal to function of Q. The Wallacean demand and supply function is Q is equal to function of P. The exceptions and limitation of law of demand are given by Alfred Marshall. According to Marshall, consumer surplus is total utility derived minus prices. Question number 52 है the theory of revealed preference is based on strong ordering. Siltinsky substitution effect must always be negative. Producer surplus measure the well-being of seller. Marginal cost is delta TVC over delta Q. Normal profit are considered as implicit cost. The negative slope part of long run average cost is due to which of the following economy of scale? A vertical supply curve parallel to the price axis. Elasticity of supply is 0. The unity method of measure the elasticity of demand concept was presented by Alfred Marshall. Consumption of elasticity reached in peak in daytime. It is called peak load prices. Consumption of elasticity reached its bottom in the night. It is called off-peak prices. Corner-Doppler model relate to the Doppler with homogeneous product. A market in which there are few sellers of goods is known as oligopoly. Shutdown point is also known as all of the above. Supernormal loss, abnormal loss, above economic loss. A firm incurs supernormal loss when it is AVC equal to AR and less than AC. Which of the following tax take form of the percentage on profit of the firm lump sum tax? Increasing return to scale occur due to division of labor, specialization, economies of scale. All of these when the stage 1 and the average product AP is maximum. Marginal productivity theory was coined by both of them, Phillips Henry Wicksteed or J.B. Clark. According to modern economists, AD Aggregate demand, aggregate supply cover drive form of the ISLM model. Whose model of the following economists make use the stock adjustment principle to explain business cycle? And Canada, in boom period, both output Y unemployment both high level. MPC always less than 0, MPC greater than 1. The slope of consumption function is less than 1. According to J.M. Keynes, level of national income determined by the level of both NB, aggregate saving and aggregate investment. Cyclical unemployment is sometimes called mass employment or demand efficient unemployment. Profit push inflation is also called all of the above. Administered price theory of inflation, price push inflation of or seller inflation or market power inflation. Sectorial or demand shift inflation is associated with the name of Charles Shuckles. If the interest elasticity of demand for money is high, the LM curve is flatter. Multiplier is the ratio of change in national income to change in investment. If nominal GDP is rise, real GDP may either rise or fall. Injections are said to be autonomous of national income. The income approach to measure GDP correlate with aggregate supply. Y equal to W plus I plus R plus P. NNP is equal to GNP minus depreciation. The surplus budget is recommended during inflation. Autonomous investment is income inelastic. According to Keynes, quantity of money or supply of money remain fixed in the both A and B, but very short run or short run. A simplified representation of real situation is called economic model. X is a function of y is written as x equal to function of y. The FED accidentally first discovered open market operation in the early 1920s. According to Graham C. Hockley, the term means of payment is a narrower concept than term of medium of exchange. Domestic credit expansion was concept introduced in Britain in 1969. Capitalism and Freedom 1962 is written by Milton Friedman, who wrote Capitalism, Socialism and Democracy 1942. J.A. Schumpeter. An inquiry into principle of political economy 1776 is written by James Stuart. Bretton Woods Conference official name is UNMFC. Question number 97 है the Bretton Woods Conference was held by 1st July to 22nd July 1944. When expenditure exceeds total tax revenue, it is called deficit budget. Income tax was introduced by Pitt in 1767. The budget constraint equation is px over x px into x plus py into y equal to m. तो ये था हमारे पास लेक्चरर इकोनॉमिक्स का मॉडल पेपर सेकंड. आई होप आपके लिए हेल्पफुल होगा. अगर वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगे तो चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग. अल्लाह हाफिज़.